what you guys, got another video here for you. This is the Sansco Smart HD CCTV camera system with 1080 NDVR 1.3 megapixel indoor and outdoor bullet cameras in there as well. Now this is the full specs. If you want to pause the screen, you can read them at your own leisure. I will leave the links in the video description for you if you're interested. Now this is everything you're going to get in the kit to set up your home security. You've got your DVR box here with hard drive in there already, which is really a decent bonus because that is a 1 terabyte drive in there, and that will be able to store all your video footage. And this is your quick setup guide. It's really easy to do, and it's in color pictures and English text, and it's pretty easy to follow. I took no time at all to set it up, but it will take you a bit of time obviously to mount the cameras on the wall, so just give yourself plenty of time to set the cameras up in the positions you want. Okay, so this is everything you're going to get inside the box here. You're going to have all your splitter cable for your power adapters and the cable to run to your cameras and to the DVR box here. You can see here there's a load of cable here where you can route that up your loft and come out through your soffits if you wish, and plug them into your camera. Now you need one yellow one, which is your video feed, and the red one is your power for your power adapter, and you've got a splitter for that as well, so you can plug one power adapter with all the splitters in there. You've got your raw plugs and your screws to mount the cameras to the wall. There's plenty in here for you to set up. It's really easy to do. As I said, just pick your places where you want to set the cameras up, and you're pretty much good to go from there. So just take a look at this box here that comes in the kit as well. This has got your mouse to plug into the back of the DVR box, and also it has your 2 power adapters, one to power the DVR box and the other one is to power all 4 of your cameras. It comes with a splitter, so you just plug the red leads into the splitter and then you just plug that into the power adapter. Very easy to do here. Now you can also see they're both identical, so you can use either one on the DVR or the camera. You've got your little mouse here with your little CD for drivers. You can download the app from the Google Play Store as well, and you've got a little Ethernet cable in here. If you need a larger one, you will need to buy a larger one yourself, but it comes with a small little patch cable like that. Very easy to use. So let's take a look at the main cameras here, so we can take a look at these. You've got a little 4 small bullet cameras here which you can use, and I'm just going to put this to one side, and we can take a look here at the cameras. Now you do get 4 of these little cameras in here, and they're really nice. You can see they're 1.3 megapixel. They're indoor and out bullet cameras. They are waterproof as well, and they're 1280 by 960p. Which is ample for home security. You can see you've got a little shield on the top there, and it's completely maneuverable. You can move it up and down. It's good for day or night with a 24 infrared LEDs on there as well. So night vision works up to 100 feet, which is 30 meters, and the lens is 3.6 millimeters in size. It's all made of metal construction here. There is the actual code on the camera if you're interested in that. You can see they're made in China. And again, it's great for some sort of a workshop, a little small business, your home, anything like that really. You can see the mechanism there where you can move them backwards and forwards. You've got a nice foam pad here, 3 screw holes here to screw them to the wall when they come supplied as well, with the Allen keys to adjust the camera to the right height that you want here, so you can get it in the position just like so. So if you're screwing it on your soffit on your roof here, you would just screw that up and it will sit in that position right there. Very easy to set up. Again, this is the connections here. You can see 1 power and 1 for video. You just plug those into the cables, and this is the actual DVR box here. Nice brushed aluminium look on the front there, and you've also got the 3 LED lights on the front that light up blue, record, and also power and alarm on there. On the back you've got your 4 video ins, a out, HDMI out, VGA, and your 4 audios there. You can see red and white there, A1, A2, A3, A4. You've got 2 USB ports, your Ethernet on there, and your power import there, so you can see you can get power to the device as well, and you can export and import files to your USB flash drive from the back of this as well. And I will take this apart so you can see it. On the bottom inside here we've got some ventilation here as well to keep the unit cool. And Would have been nice to see some anti-slip rubber feet on here, but you can always pick those up pretty cheap there. But I'll take this apart so you can see inside. Now this is the actual board inside here. So nice tidy little board, and you can see a Toshiba hard drive is installed in here already, which is a 1 terabyte hard drive. So that should be ample for storing all your videos. Now you can go to the Google Play Store and get XMI software, which is for the camera, to control the cameras remotely. If you wish to do that, you just go there and install that and set it up. You will need to set up an account. You can see 5 million downloads already. Now this is how you want to configure it on the back. You got your power here, you got your Ethernet and your mouse plugged in the back. You got your HDMI, which is going to your TV or monitor, small monitor, and then you've got your camera feed here, which is one of your cameras. I've only set up one just to show you, but this is your power here, the red, which is on the camera, and it also plugs straight into here and goes to a power adapter. Now if you're plugging all 4 in, you will need to use the splitter that comes in the kit, and you can see here the quality of the picture, which is just ample for what you're doing here. It's only going to be recording content which is outside of your home and keeping your home safe, and this will also do motion detection and good night view as well. And you've got plenty of options inside here to mess around with as well, and I'll just show you some of the features on here which you can set up. Going into the main menu, you can see we've got record, alarm, and also system. You've got advanced info, and if you go into here, you've got motion detection, video blind, and also alarm input, alarm output, and you can see system. Go into here, you've got your display, your general tab, loads of other features in here. I'm not going to go all through them here, but basically you can set these up how you like. There's your resolution right here. So really nice sort of setup, easy to understand and easy to follow. You've got your digital here. Let me just come back out of this by clicking cancel. Now I've got the mouse plugged into the DVR box here, and this is what's controlling this. You can control all your storage here and also all your other settings here. Online user, and you can do your output adjustments, which is all your black vertical and black horizontal, contrast, brightness, saturation, hue, all that stuff. You can tweak around with that to get it just how you want it. And the picture quality is not too bad. It's not the best out there on the market, but it is at a really affordable setup. £130 for 4 cameras, a DVR box, a 1 terabyte drive, and all the cables and everything else to get you set up is a pretty reasonable price if you ask me. And you know how much all that stuff would cost if it was a higher sort of branded name, which would cost you an absolute fortune. But as you can see, the video quality is pretty good. You can use the zoom feature here. You can click on it like so and view all your cameras on here as well. And if you want to zoom in on something, you just use your mouse here to pick a point and zoom in and draw the box around, and it will zoom straight in onto that area here. Now obviously the quality when you do this is not great if you make it too small, but it's enough to get detail of someone's face if they are on your property and they're in a place where they shouldn't be. You can actually zoom in and get a good view of their face and print that out and give it to the police or something like that. But you can see here you'll have the recorded evidence as well, so the quality is not too bad here. And this is all the information on the Sansco Smart HD CCTV. Anyway, I hope this one helps you out. My name is Brian from briteccomputers.co.uk. Thanks again for watching, guys, and thanks for your continued support. Have a great day, and I shall see you again for another review real soon. Bye for now. Now if you haven't subscribed yet, hit the big red subscribe button on my YouTube channel and hit the bell notification button next to that to be notified when we upload new videos.